Going solar? So expensive, right? Well, at least that's what people think. But here's a little secret we'll let you in on. When you call Sunrun, you can get beautiful, money-saving solar panels on your roof for as little as $0 upfront. Z-E-R-O. Sound too good to be true? It's not. Here's the scoop. With Sunrun, all you pay for is the solar power, not the solar panels. And we take care of the system throughout the lifetime of the agreement, from paperwork to system monitoring and maintenance at no cost to you. We buy the customized solar system that was designed for you. Then our experienced installers come install it. Finally, once the solar system is up and running, all you do is pay Sunrun a surprisingly low, locked-in monthly rate for clean solar electricity. The best part? It'll be less than what you pay to your utility now, saving you money over time. So, does this sound like a good deal? It does to me. Get a solar quote today. And that's free too.